All right, let's talk about a term you've probably heard a ton lately, value streams.
Big consultants are selling it as this revolutionary key to agility and efficiency. But what if it's not new at all? I mean, is it really a breakthrough or just a repackaged idea? Yeah, it's pretty much a classic case of old wine in new bottles, a familiar idea with a flashy new label. Think about it. Before value streams, we had terms like procedure, workflow, even routine. Same basic concept, right? So what it boils down to is this. It's just the provider's view of the workflow. And all this constant relabeling, it just creates a ton of confusion and, honestly, chaos. It leads to what's called island thinking. Basically, every team is just stuck in its own little world. And you get this ridiculous ping-pong effect. An issue just gets bounced back and forth between teams. Sound familiar? So, how do we fix this mess? Well, you don't solve chaos with coordination. You solve it with structure. Okay, so we need to get back to first principles, and that starts with defining what a service actually is. The Unified Service Management Method, or USM, has a great one. A service is a supported facility. Now, this simple idea gives us a stable foundation, one that helps us avoid all that buzzword chaos. And how does it do that? Well, the USM method boils everything down to just 5 core processes. They are agree, change, recover, operate, and improve. That's it. Everything fits into these 5. But here's where it gets really powerful. From those 5 processes, we get just 8 standard patterns. And get this, these 8 patterns can create literally every workflow or value stream you'll ever need. So if you're ready to move beyond the buzzwords, there's a real sustainable strategy out there. Want to learn more? You can dive into the Enterprise Service Management body of knowledge with the USM resources. So ask yourself this, are you building on trendy labels or are you building on timeless principles?